Hi there, David Taylor or Mr. Pelargonium here. Now, I've obviously not been doing many, if any, videos really on this channel for some time. I have to confess, by the time I've worked on Pelargonium and Geranium Society videos, the work required in doing them takes quite a bit of time. It's not been the easiest of springs and summers, as anybody knows in the UK, certainly in the southern half of England. We've had almost like tropical conditions since really the spring. So it's not been easy doing videos anyway, so that's one of the problems we've had. But I think going forward, what I'm going to do with this channel, because it's clear that I just do not have the time to run both channels. It's clear that the main work that I do is on the Pelargonium and Geranium Society channel, so that I think takes precedent. But this channel I'm actually going to use in the future for just doing shorts, just doing the short videos, which are easy fire up videos that I can do in the app on YouTube. To keep some interest going on this particular channel. And I think that's really the way to go forward. Maybe keep an eye on what I'm actually doing, maybe actually sort of promoting even more work that I actually do in the glasshouse, which realistically is a full-time job anyway, to be quite honest. So going forward, that's what I'll do. I'll just keep updates on everything that I'm doing, maybe even on a sort of every other day or even on a daily basis sometimes. So going forward, that's what I intend to do with this channel. Again, if there's anything a little bit more personal, I'll probably put it on this channel. Hope you, sort of are happy with that, because I realise I've got sort of 1,300 followers on here. We've gone over 10k now on the Pelargonium and Geranium Society channel, so that's obviously the key one for me. So that's it for this one. As I said, look out though for all of the YouTube shorts in the future. Thanks very much and goodbye for now.